All right, today we're going to be replacing a high beam bulb, which is the one that's on the inside. It's this guy right here. This is our low beam on the outside. So let's get into it. This is probably one of the easiest light bulbs to replace. It is not hard at all. So let's jump into it. One thing that's nice is have some paper towels with you. You do not want to touch the bulb when you replace it, but this is our high beam. The low beam's right over here, but first we remove that. That's our cover. Then we have a clip right here. We depress that and it instantly wants to pop out. Little spring-loaded action there. This is our bulb. We don't want to touch the glass. I'll put a link in the description of what bulb it is, and then this is in there pretty tight, so you got to work back and forth, and it's taking a fair amount of pressure to get that out, but it's starting to slide out. Boom, that slides out. You have that. This is the bulb right here. We take our new bulb and we put that in, and it takes a fair bit of pressure. Now make sure when you put the bulb in that this is up. This does have an up and down, and so the bottom is round here and the top has this, so it's centered. And then we push back and forth. If you want, you can put the dielectric grease. There's a little bit of special grease just to protect it from corrosion and whatnot. And we put it right back into its cradle, and you hear that click. Boom, it's done. Then we put that back on. Super easy to do. That's the high beam done in well, a little less than a minute here. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb, and if this was helpful, subscribe. We'll see you next time.